BestSync is an easy-to-use yet powerful and reliable utility for file backup and file synchronization. This video demonstrates how to add a task to synchronize a local folder with Google Drive. To add a task, just click the Add a Synchronization Task button on the toolbar. The task wizard is started. You can browse a local folder by the Folder 1 Browser button. Select the synchronization direction. From Folder 1 to Folder 2, or Folder 2 to Folder 1, or in two-way direction. After the file browser is started, select Google Drive in the list of file systems. Press one of the buttons to start OAuth2 authentication for Google Drive. If you press OAuth2 manually button, the Manually OAuth2 dialog box is opened. Press Open URL to open the OAuth2 URL with the client ID of BestSync by the default browser. If Chrome is the default browser, the OAuth2 screen is opened by Chrome. You can input your Google account, or just select a remembered account by the browser. After you input the account, the screen shows that BestSync needs your permissions to access your files in Google Drive. Press the Allow button to let BestSync to access your files. The authenticated code is displayed in the browser. Copy the code to the clipboard by the Copy button, or select the code text by mouse point, then press Ctrl+C hotkey. Switch back to the OAuth2 Login Manually dialog box, press Paste Token button to paste the authenticated code. Press OK to complete the authentication. Back to the folder browser. If OAuth2 is passed, BestSync Start to List folder in Google Drive. You can select a folder in the folder tree as the synchronization target. Press OK to finish the folder browser. Back to the Task Wizard. In the Task Wizard, you can set up rich options for the task like the screen. After you set up the task, it is added to the task list. You can click the Preview button to start the preview of the task. Or just press the Start button to start the task. In the task preview, you can adjust the synchronizing action of individual file by the context menu before starting the synchronization. When the preview is started, it lists all the files in the local folder and its subfolders. The preview also lists all the files in the folder and subfolders of Google Drive. BestSync detects changes files and deleted files in the local folder and Google Drive folder by comparing the timestamp and file size. Then displays all the files that are needed to be synchronized in the file tree. You can exclude files or subfolders from the synchronization by the context menu. You can also exclude some file types by the context menu. You can also change the synchronizing action of selected file by the context menu. Also, you can delete the selected from Folder 1, Folder 2, or both folders by changing the action. After adjust the sync actions, you can press the Start button to start the synchronization. Multiple files are uploaded or downloaded simultaneously. You can see the progress of individual file. You can stop the synchronization whenever you want. After you close the preview, you can see the result of the synchronization in the task list.